Alright, today I will talk more about how OpenBOM can help engineers. It's Saturday morning and I decided to make this video outside, so I step outside of my home office. And yesterday I talked how OpenBOM can help you to extract information from CAD system and easy share it with other people, like people that involved in the purchasing of parts. So OpenBOM helps you to stay on the same BOM, share information, no more Excels, exchanged error, mistakes, everything is gone, so you easy exchange data. But OpenBOM can do more. So what OpenBOM can help you is once information is extracted, you can make calculations or make rollups. It's extremely important, and it's also very hard, almost impossible to do in Excel. So think about you have multiple assemblies and you would like to get a rollup report of quantities across these multiple assemblies. You might not even have a top assembly in CAD system, and in OpenBOM you can easily organize this information in the multi-level structure and switch from multi-level view to flattened view, and here you go, you get a quantity rollup. In addition to that, OpenBOM helps you to manage catalog. You think about this as a single version of your business information about parts, manufacturer, suppliers, unit cost. So let's stop for a second for unit cost. So you got unit cost in your catalogs, which is combined with the single model, with the bill of materials, with the quantity rollups. And what you get, you're absolutely right, you're getting quantity rollup. You can add any property to OpenBOM, make calculations of quantities, and roll up this cost based on the particular information for parts that you buy based on the quantities, parts that you buy based on the mass or any other units of measure that you like. So all these calculations, you can do it in OpenBOM in a very efficient way. So think about this. OpenBOM gives you an ultimate calculation engine around bill of materials that can help you easy to summarize your information and share it with the other people in the organization. So no more Excels, no more calculations in Excels, no more sending Excels with email. It helps you to organize the flow of data and helps you to organize the flow of calculation. So that was Oleg with the OpenBOM for engineers this Saturday morning. Have a lovely weekend and stay safe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.